In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete chat history in Slack. If you're trying to keep your Slack workspace clean and organized, it's important to know that Slack does not have one single button that deletes an entire direct message conversation for everyone instantly. Instead, there are a few different ways to manage your chat history depending on what you actually want to do. You can permanently delete individual messages that you sent. You can remove conversations from your sidebar so your workspace looks less cluttered. Or if you're an admin, you can set automatic data retention rules that delete older messages over time. Before you begin, keep in mind that message deletion permissions can vary. In many workspaces, members can delete their own messages, but workspace owners or admins may limit that ability. To permanently remove a specific message, start by opening Slack on your desktop app or in a web browser. Then go to the channel or direct message where the message is located. Once you find it, move your cursor over that message. A small row of icons will appear on the right side. Click the three-dot menu for more actions, then choose Delete Message. Slack will ask you to confirm, which is helpful in case you clicked by mistake. Click the red delete button, and that message will be permanently removed from the conversation for everyone in the workspace. If your goal is not to delete messages, but simply to make your sidebar look cleaner, you can remove a conversation from view instead. On the left side of Slack, look for the direct messages section. Find the person or group conversation you want to hide, then hover over it. You should see a small X appear next to the conversation name. Click that X and the conversation will disappear from your sidebar. Just remember, this only removes it from your view. It does not delete the actual message history, and the conversation can reappear later if you search for it or send a new message. If you're a workspace owner or admin, you also have the option to automate message cleanup using retention settings. To do that, click your workspace name in the top left corner, open Tools and Settings or Administration, and then select Workspace Settings. This will open the settings page in your browser. From there, stay on the Settings tab, scroll down until you find Data Retention, and click Expand. Next, choose whether you want to apply retention rules to public channels, private channels, or direct messages. Change the setting from never deleting messages to a custom timeline. Enter the number of days you want messages to be kept, and then save your changes. Slack may ask you to confirm again before applying the policy. That's how to manage and delete chat history in Slack depending on your needs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.